I'm going to show you how to make redcurrant muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of soft brown sugar, 1 egg, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of vegetable oil, and 150 grams of redcurrants. I have used frozen, but you can use fresh if you want. To your milk, add your egg and your oil and mix until well combined. Then in a separate bowl to your flour, add your sugar and mix until combined. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then add your redcurrants and stir until well distributed. Then to a muffin tray lined with muffin cases. You simply want to spoon your batter into each case. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make redcurrant muffins.